So, this 2024, have you set new goals for yourself? You want to go to a gym, eat right, take hot showers, meditate, and you have all the motivation to make 2024 your year. Well, let me tell you the hard truth about that. Only 9% of people will actually achieve those goals. Because not everyone has the determination or the conviction that they will get that aesthetic physique, that happiness, or that wealth. So, in this video I will show you how to make 2024 the best year of your life. Hello, I am Adrian, and on this channel we help young people who, like me, want to develop their minds, strengthen their bodies, and cultivate their wealth to live a life that they are proud of. I post videos of finances, technology, and also personal development just like this one. So, if you are new here, consider subscribing. Let's start with the first thing you have to understand, and which for me is the most important one: the obsession. Obsession is very commonly associated with vices or mental disturbance produced by a fixed idea, which with tenuous persistence assaults the mind. And how this is related to personal development, Adrian? It is related on the sense of how bad do you want it? How bad do you want that aesthetic physique? How much do you want to be wealthy? How bad do you want to be able to retire your parents or give peace to your entire family? How much do you want to be independent and not ask anyone for anything? These are questions that anyone who wants to be into personal development should be asking to themselves. On the pursuit of becoming a better person, you have to become obsessed with the goal and the person you want to become. Everyone wants to use motivation to achieve their goals. Why? Because it feels too good when you have it. You can literally do anything you want, anytime you want to do it. But that's the thing, you can't control it when it comes, you can control it when it goes, which will surely leave you halfway in your progress. It's like this typical example of you going to a gym if you want. That is, you will probably go 4 times a month just because you had motivation of those days. You will wonder why this is the first step. Because first of all, we want to ask ourselves why we want to do it and establish a point of direction. Let's continue with the second thing: taking action. Procrastination, perfectionism, overthinking are our worst enemies in this regard. Every path begins with the first step. If we question or leave something for later with the aim of making it perfect, we will never do anything at all. Let's take an example to understand better this problem. I want to be a writer, but I'm not going to start writing anything until I discover exactly what topic my first book will be about. It's like I am saying, until I not discovered the best back exercises, I will not go into the gym. Or I won't start my YouTube channel until I figure out what my niche will be. You have to do the work to become good at doing that work, which in this case is yourself. And when you become good at it, the best version of yourself will emerge over time. That is what is recommended for most people who are starting their path in personal development, because otherwise you will be sitting or lying in your bed watching David Goggins videos, speeches, podcasts, or motivational videos, doing absolutely nothing. Then start applying essential habits so that it doesn't become too overwhelming. You can start taking care of your sleep, sleeping your hours, going to bed at the same time every day, or turning off all electronic devices 1 hour before. And your diet, eliminating the junk food and eating the calories and proteins that your body requires. Start by applying essential habits each week. Don't start by taking a cold shower, activating milk mode for 6 months, and then doing a dopamine fast on that weekend. No. Take it easy. And now let's finish with the third thing: progressive overload. If the term progressive overload doesn't seem familiar to you, let's do a quick review. In the gym, to grow your muscles, there is a method called progressive overload, which means that to improve performance and muscle strength, You must gradually increase the amount of resistance or load you subject your body to during exercise. This means that if it is your first time doing a bench press, you are going to start by lowering 20 kilos and let's say you do 10 repetitions. Well, now, next week you have to do 12 repetitions with the same weight, then 14, etc. And how this applies to personal development. For example, if I manage to apply meditation for 3 weeks and have managed to master it, only dedicating it 15 minutes a day to it, now next week what I will do is implement the reading habit by reading a book for 15 minutes a day. Or it can also be applied if I decide to increase my meditation by 1 minute each day until I reach half an hour at the end of the month. For example, on the first day, let's say it was 5 minutes, on the next 6, on the next 7, and so on until I reach 30 minutes. The name of the game is making progressive changes to improve, or as they also say, be 1% better every day. That's all for this video. Please subscribe. All I talk on this video I got from a book called Atomic Habits by James Clear, and they can be applied on every aspect of our life. So I will leave you my review here or here. Bye bye.